Smartest way to type degree symbol in Microsoft Word. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to type degree symbol in Microsoft Word. Without much ado, let's get started. Open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. The first method is type 00B0. Press Alt plus X on your keyboard. And as you can see, the degree symbol has already been appeared on Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial easy, you can easily apply this method. The third one is the best one. You simply need to do one setting on your PC. Go to File tab at the top left corner of the screen. On this side panel, select Options. Now select Proofing and tap on AutoCorrect options. Click on Math AutoCorrect and checkmark this box for Use Math AutoCorrect rules outside of math regions, and then click OK. Once you have done this setting, you simply need to click on the slash and type in degree. Then hit enter on your keyboard, and automatically the degree has already been appeared on one click. That is the smartest way to type degree symbol in Microsoft Word. You can apply any method that you wish to. I hope this video worked. If this video worked, then hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.